What's up, guys? Baldani here. This is the hardest day. My cat named Simon passed away today. Out of my 5 cats, oh wait, 6 cats, he passed away. So, I thought he was sleeping like right here, right there. At first I thought he was sleeping, but then I heard that he has no heartbeat. So I took him to the vet and realized what's wrong because I didn't know he was dead or not. And then the veterinarian said that he's dead. His funeral is gonna be in a couple days. I'm gonna place him in a small casket. I don't want him being cremated. He died because of old age. The doctor said, happens to everybody. But still, it's a very hard day. I'll pull an image of him in another video. Anyway, thank you guys for all the over 21 subscribers. And please subscribe for more content. Please subscribe and give a like on this video too. If you lost your cat, just tell me, okay? And leave a comment below. And see you all later, people. Peace.